Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the console with an account that can manage profiles. Once signed in, press Guide, go to Settings and select System, then open Storage. Choose the storage device where the profile lives, hard drive or USB, so you're targeting the right location. Next, navigate to Profiles and highlight the profile to remove. This first step ensures you don't accidentally delete the wrong data, and it sets up the rest of the deletion process cleanly and safely. Now you'll perform the deletion itself. Highlight the target profile and choose Delete from the menu, then you'll see two options, Delete Profile Only or Delete Profile and Items. Choose Profile Only to keep saved games on the console, or choose Profile and Items to remove everything, including saved games and licenses. Make your selection deliberately, because once confirmed, items can be lost. Once done, the console will process the removal. Make sure to wait until the operation completes before powering off. Finish by returning to Profiles to confirm the account is gone from the storage device. If you don't see the expected result, reboot the Xbox 360 and recheck the storage section. Sometimes the UI needs a refresh. If you accidentally removed profile items and need purchases back, you can recover some content by signing into Xbox Live and redownloading entitlements. Make sure you use the original Microsoft account. If problems persist, try the other storage device or contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.